Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. We're going to talk about the flat pack system today. These flat packs are flowing a lot of water, making it easy for you to water fed pull and clean those windows. Let's show you how easy it is to hook up real quick. You have your garden hose where your water goes in. Just simply screw that on there. And we're good. We have a discharge hose because I don't like it to discharge right out of the machine. So we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to hook it up real quick, get the water flowing through it. So as you can see, the discharging is cleaning that RO membrane. You only need to let that run for a couple minutes. And then you shut it off right here. And you can see the intense flow we're getting. Getting about 1.2 gallons per minute. A lot of water flow. So what I do is I turn that discharge on. I'll hook up my water fed pull hose. Flip this. Now I'm flowing all that water up my hose to my water fed pull. The flat pack by J.Racenstein. Get one today.